All Alde heating systems are manufactured here in Färlöv, just outside Kristianstad, Sweden. We have been working with hydronic heating in RVs for more than 60 years. The 4000D is our diesel-powered heater, developed for those who want hydronic comfort while using vehicle diesel as the energy source. Many vehicles, especially vans, have a limited space for LPG storage. At the same time, this is already available in the vehicle's fuel tank. This allows you to both drive and heat the living area using the same fuel. However, transitioning from LPG boiler to a diesel boiler within hydronic system is technically more complex. A diesel burner requires preheating to initiate combustion, precisely controlled fuel delivery, post-heating to ensure clean combustion. Balance is critical. Too low output, inefficient combustion. Too high output, unnecessary wear and increased noise. That is why the 4000D is controlled by algorithms that continuously adjust intake fan speed, fuel pump pulses, combustion cycles. The system does not operate in larger steps. It fine-tunes consistently to maintain optimal efficiency. One of the key advantages of hydronic heating is the temperature control. Convectors installed along the walls create a natural circulation, resulting in even heat distribution through the vehicles. This means the temperature does not fluctuate. The system operates calmly and steadily. In a hydronic heating system, a glycol-based fluid circulates through pipes and convectors. When the target temperature is reached, the burner reduces the output, but it remains stored in the fluid and convectors. This results in fewer start and stop cycles, optimized fuel consumption, and more stable indoor climate. This type of heat differs from air heaters that distribute warm air directly. Diesel involves active combustion, which naturally produces some sound. During the development of the 4000D, focus was placed on optimized airflow, controlled fan speed, vibration damping, and stable burner operation. The goal has been to maintain the experience many associate with Alde. Quiet, discreet heat you can feel rather than hear. A common question concerns power consumption and how the 4000D compared to the Compact 3030. The 4000D is designed to operate at a similar electrical level as a LPG boiler. This makes it relevant even for off-grid use. As the system approaches the target temperature, it reduces output while remaining ready to increase the power quickly when needed. In a van, smaller volumes to heat, fast response, even temperature along the walls. In a large motorhome, stable based heating, efficient combustion across the large areas, prepared for dual zone control. A multi-zone system can help reduce energy consumption, while a central unit heats the entire motorhomes to one set temperature. A multi-zone system allows you to heat only the zones required. For example, maintaining a high temperature in the living area while setting a lower temperature in the sleeping area. The system can be adapted depending on the vehicle's size and layouts. It's suitable for those who prefer diesel over LPG, frequently travel off-grid, want to reduce the number of energy sources, prioritize even hydronic comfort. It's not a replacement of all applications, but an alternative for right usage profile. So to summarize, the 4000D is a hydronic diesel boiler. It combines diesel fuel, algorithm-controlled combustion, stable temperature control, and prepared for dual zone compatibility and optimized electrical consumption.